Samsung has announced the new W26, an enhanced version of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This device, released exclusively in China, is mainly based on the global Galaxy Z Fold 7, but includes intriguing extra features and luxury finishes. Notably, Samsung in China doesn't use the Galaxy branding for this series, which is unusual. The most notable feature of the Samsung W26. The other feature is satellite connectivity for emergency calls and messages. This is possible due to the connection with Tiantong, China's mobile communications satellite system. This feature isn't available on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Global. Design-wise, it keeps the sleek 8.9mm profile and lightweight of 215 grams of the Fold 7. It also has the same displays, a 6.5-inch exterior and an 8.5-inch folding interior, both offering 120 Hz and 2600 nits of brightness. However, the W26 stands out with its two unique dual-tone colors, Dandiang, a red and gold combo similar to Huawei style, and Xuanyao Black, a blend of black and gold. Inside, there's a significant upgrade. The W26 includes 16 gigabytes of RAM, as standard in both the 512 gigabyte and 1 terabyte storage models. In contrast, the global version of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 with 512 gigabytes of storage only includes 12 gigabytes of RAM. The camera system matches the Fold 7. A 10-megapixel selfie camera on the outside, a 200-megapixel main sensor with 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle optical stabilization, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom and optical stabilization. Additionally, it includes a 4-megapixel underscreen camera for the interior. The sales package is more complete, including a dual-tone Kevlar case and a 25-watt fast charger, a USB cable, as well as a co-branded privilege card that includes China Tel. The device operates on One UI 8 with Android 16 and will get updates for 7 years. The Samsung W26 is priced in China at 16,999 yuan, about $2,389 for the 512 gigabyte version, and the 1 terabyte version will naturally cost more. Keep in mind, prices differ between regions.